Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a close look at the Nike Reposto. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Reposto shoes, and this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the black, blue void, Mystic Dates, iron grey colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. Let's peel back the wrapping paper or packing paper to reveal the Nike Reposto in the black, blue void, Mystic Dates, iron grey colourway. And let's lift off the left shoe. And setting the box to the side, let's focus on the left shoe first. So this pair, or the shoe, is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. And let's do a full 360 rotation, so you have a complete view of this Nike Reposto shoe. So the thing that stands out straight away is the very thick foam midsole, but nonetheless let's take a look around and up close at this shoe. So as you can see, it does have a synthetic and mesh-like upper cover with a fabric type mesh, and mostly in black with the grey swoosh, and moving around towards the back of the shoe. You can see the Just Do It branding in a vertical alignment and a Nike 72 referencing Nike's establishment date. And towards the back we can see the Nike swoosh and the overall shape and silhouette of the Nike Reposto. And once again we see that kind of thin layer of mudguard that goes right around the shoe, and there seems to be a little patch of Scotch light or reflector. And moving towards the front of the shoe, you can see a little Nike swoosh towards the toe or tip. And taking a look at the outsole or sole of the shoe, we can see that there are several patterns at play. It does have horizontal grooves going across the shoe. And then of course we're reminded of Nike's waffle design. So there are some nods to Nike's heritage. So chunky blocks of the waffle type tread outsole pattern, and moving towards the back or heel of the shoe we see that familiar wedge-like grooves that were seen at the front or tip of the shoe. And let's do a bend and flex test of the shoe. But of course, just doing a simple test with my bare hands, bending and giving you some idea of the movement, softness or stiffness of the shoe. And taking a close-up look at that very chunky white midsole. So it does have a very fine, finely grained texture with a light gloss to it. Not sure how well you can see that coming through the viewfinder of the camcorder. And pressing down on that foam midsole does have a very springy and cushy feel to it. And taking a close-up look at the brown patch right there with the Nike 72 reference along with the Nike Just Do It motto or slogan. And now taking a look from the front or head-on of the shoe all the way to the back. And we can see on the tongue there is a kind of printed on Nike patch with the Nike logo and swoosh. And taking a look inside the shoe, let's remove the stuffing from the shoe and take a close-up look inside. So inside and around the shoe, we can see that it does have a thin ankle collar around the left and right sides, but towards the heel it is pretty spongy with a thick layer of foam around or padding. As you can see in the heel clip area, nice and densely padded just below the hem or edge of the shoe. And taking a look at the sole again, just to give you some idea of the hardness or stiffness or softness of the material. Just running my thumb, or actually index finger, across the surface and even pressing down on the material. So it does have a somewhat rough or coarse texture, as you can just about make out in the video. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, or right side, of the Nike Reposto. And popping up the box lid and lifting out the right shoe. So now taking a look at the right shoe and doing a full 360 rotation. And now taking a close-up look. So once again we see that small little reflector in a rounded rectangular shape, and moving right around the shoe we can see the kind of composite material with the fabric mesh-like upper cover, along with the kind of printed on thin layer of mudguard, and then a fabric type heel section, and of course the Nike tributes right there with the Just Do It and Nike 72. And let's do a flex and bend test with this side of the shoe, and giving you a look as to the movement of the material. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And taking a look at the underside as well, so the sole of the shoe, and from the front to the back. So that's the Nike Reposto in the black Blue Void Mystic Dates Iron Grey colorway. Thanks for watching and happy walking!